Hello everyone, welcome back to CoralJoyTravel. Today I'm going to be doing a mail unboxing from my P.O. box. I know there's some pins that I picked up and traded with people, then I have some cards from people that I do not know who they are, and one is a gift from one of you that sent me a pin. I also want to say thank you so much to Megan and Carrol and Becca and Terryn for sending me very sweet packages in the mail for my birthday. That meant very much to me. I didn't choose to open them up on camera because they were personal, but I wanted to say thank you so very much from myself, and I will be sending you cards as a thank you as well. But let's just jump into the mail. Some of this I actually did cut open, but I have not looked inside because I just wanted to make sure. I just want to see what it was. I'm going to start with this card from Christy's Commentary from Tennessee. She wrote me a little note. Aw, that's so sweet. So Christy actually has a channel on YouTube. It's called Christy's Commentary, and if I can find it, I will link it below. So thank you, Christy, for the kind words. It means so much when you guys send me notes. She's just saying such nice things about saying that I've got positive videos, and she appreciates that. And she likes how I reply to comments. I try to reply to everyone's comments, with the exception of giveaways, because giveaways, the comments are a lot. There are a lot of comments usually on giveaway videos, but I do try to take the time to write some comments on videos. Because I want to get to know you guys. I'm doing this to kind of get to know you too. So if I miss a comment, I do apologize. I really do try to comment on all the videos that I can. So you're welcome, Christy. Thank you so much for the card. It means the world. And I love all of the stickers you stuck on them, especially the back. How cute is that? So thank you, Christy. This one, okay, so this is actually a pin that I got from Drew, a subscriber. Thank you so much, Drew. And he purchased a pin from the Disney Pins blog website because Drew knows I love Haunted Mansion, and he saw this and felt inspired, which was unnecessary but super, super thoughtful, to purchase this for me. Let me just say, no one needs to send me anything in the mail, no gifts. It's not necessary, but I just wanted to say thank you to Drew. This pin is so cool. It's like a pocket watch. Let me show you a close-up of this one. So here is the outside of the mansion. You see the chain. Look, it opens up. Dun dun dun! Haunted Mansion, Disneyland. So thank you so much, Drew, for this pin. I will be sticking it on my pin board. I did think that I was going to change my pin board. Oh, there it is. My pin board there, which had the Haunted Mansion pins on that, to Incredibles pins. I changed my mind. I have a board with my Incredibles pins, but I have to leave my Haunted Mansion pins back there because it makes me so happy. So I will be adding this to the mix. Now it looks like I have a card that is from Kara. And I love the back of the card. I mean, check out those seams. And there's even seams on the front. So Kara sent, I want to rip this. Sorry, Mickey. I didn't want to rip his head, but I kind of had to. Kara sent a note. Oh, I love notes. Here we go. I just want to send you a quick note to tell you how happy your vlogs how happy your vlogs make me. You are always so enthusiastic all the time, and it's infectious. Fun. I love to hear that. Very cool. So very fun. I got a note from a subscriber, Kara, and she wrote me a note and just saying how much my videos make her happy, which makes me so happy, and some other things in there. So thank you so much, Kara. If you're watching this, I'll be reaching out to you very soon. As you can see, I just opened this today, and it's June 20th, so It's been a while. I have not tried to ignore what you asked me, but I will reach out to you to talk to you about that, okay? So thank you so much, Kara, for reaching out. I love mail. I love me some mail. Oh, guys, all right. So this package, which I did cut open, but I did not open all the way. I reached out to, I think this is Laura. I reached out to a woman, Laura, who shops for people from in Disneyland, California. SoCal Disney Shoppers Pin Mail. She has an Instagram and a Facebook and YouTube channel. I will leave all these links below. It is Laura, as I'm reading her name here. So she picked up some goodies for me in Disneyland that I needed. I think these were Incredibles, you guys. Oh, it is! All right, yay! So let me show you my new pins. Oh, good, more pins to add to my board. Oh gosh, those are gorgeous. These are the Pixar Fest 2018 limited edition Elastigirl, Mr. Incredible, Jack Jack, and Edna Mode. Oh my gosh, $29.99 retailed in the parks. And I'll show you a close-up in a moment. And. Gorgeous. Wow, this pin is so cool. This is a Pixar Pals 2018 limited edition, Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl. It is actually way more awesome than I knew it would be because I only saw a photo of it. This is also a limited edition, $16.99 in the parks. I am not sure if these are still available. Let me show you a close-up of these. All right, so we have all of these awesome Incredibles. I just watched the movie. It was so good. These are Ellie's of 1500. Check this one out. I mean, the frame in like chrome where it says The Incredibles, and it has like the city up top, the Incredibles symbol up here. This is an Ellie, let's see, Ellie of 2000. I'm not sure if that will come in. Ellie of 2000. Wow, that's a really cool pin. That and Edna Mode. I love Edna. Guys, if you did not watch what I wore to the premiere of The Incredibles 2, I will leave a link to that above because then you will really see that I really do indeed like Edna Mode. Not just like her, I love her. I love her. Last but not least, I have a package from a trade. I traded with a friend, Laura, and she wrote me a little note. Hi Coral, thank you so much for the trade. I also really appreciate you mentioning my channel as well as subscribe. Oh, listen, Laura, as she's talking about it, I have talked about her before. She actually does have a channel on YouTube. I will leave links to her channel below, and definitely, as I mentioned before, check her out. If you love her, subscribe. She's awesome. She's a Disney girl. It really means a lot. I hope you don't mind, but I threw in some extras again as my way to say thank you. Plus, I love sending you extra goodies. I hope you like the pins and that we can trade again someday. All the best, Laura. Someone's texting me. All right. Her YouTube channel is Pins and Pixie Dust. And wow, she even has a sticker that says Pins and Pixie Dust. I don't even have a sticker that says CoralJoyTravel. You are too cool for school. This is the one that we traded for. It is like a completely epic Haunted Mansion pin. It is, I believe, limited edition. Oh, it's a cast exclusive limited edition of 500. I will show you a close-up of this. It's so absolutely amazing. This is from Disneyland, and it's an older pin. And then she sent me something else. Don't know. I don't have this. Oh my gosh! She got me the Disneyland Paris Baby Jack Jack pin trading night pin. I can't believe you sent this to me. Laura also sent me, honestly, my favorite ever, goodness gracious, Incredibles Hollywood Studio Store pin, which I will show. I haven't done a video of my Incredibles pins, but I will show that to you. I love the Incredibles, and she got me, she just sent me, out of the kindness of her heart, just beautiful pins. So this was, and there's even more in here. You guys, There's more. Oh my gosh. Cooper stocking. Cooper stocking. She sent me 2 more pins because she is so gosh darn sweet. Laura has, I'll talk about Laura. Laura has twin daughters. I believe they just turned 5, 6. They're littles. They're little ones. And she does a lot of unboxings, and she has a lot of pins. She has entered that pin rabbit hole. Guys, these pins, because Laura knows I love Pluto. I love this pin. And the Incredibles. This is a violet pin. This is a limited edition of 400. And this, Winter Wishes 2017, is a limited edition of 5,000. These are awesome pins. Let me show you all of these up close. Laura, thank you so much for your kindness and your generosity. Listen, if I didn't love you so much and I didn't get a chance to know you, like, this is what we do. We talk to each other in the comments below and we actually become friends. That's how I met so many wonderful friends on YouTube. Take the time to do that. I love getting. So here is the pin that I traded for. Isn't it gorgeous? The Haunted Mansion. Now, I've never seen this pin before. Actually, I think I saw it online, but I've never seen it in person, so I am just blown away. This is an LE of 400 with baby Jack and exclusive to Disneyland Paris. And here are more of those sweet extras. This is like a snow globe, so there's actually jiggly like glitter in the bottom of this. Isn't this so cute? Winter Wishes 2017. Oh, I love that. And of course my sweet Violet. I mean, who couldn't love that girl? Look at that glitter on the V. Oh, this is beautiful. So thank you everyone so much for sending me all of these goodies. So unnecessary, but so appreciative. Cooper appreciates it. He totally does. He just is saying thank you. That's his way of saying thank you, because he likes to talk. But thank you guys so much for sending me mail. I love it. It's so fun. I am like a kid when it comes to mail. I am. I love getting mail. And mail is like a lost art. And sending a note is like a lost art. I got just the most beautiful handwritten, that's Cooper knocking over my camera. I got the most beautiful handwritten note from you, Carrol, from Scotland. It is artistry. So my question to you, Carrol, is, does everyone write like you in Scotland? If so, I need to buy people's books that are handwritten. Or is this just an art that you have? Your handwriting just fascinates me. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And actually, I'm showing my mom this weekend because I'm so blown away by your artistry of your script. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this mail haul. I hope it was exciting to you. Stick around this week. I'll be doing more tips and tricks. It's been a busy week. 2019 packages just opened up yesterday, June 19th, and so we've been very busy here at CoralJoyTravel, and it's been good. It's been good. So thank you, as always, for all the support. I cannot believe I just hit 4,000 subscribers, you guys. It's because of you. It's because of you and your support. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next Disney video. CoralJoyTravel, a touch of magic, sharing joy. Bye, guys. Have a great rest of your week.